Hello everyone, so you're welcome to DGCL Digital Cloud Academy. So in today's video I'll be walking you through installing Nginx in EC2 instance with EC2 User Data scripts. Alright, so the first thing is we have to create an instance, an EC2 instance. Alright, so on your search bar type in EC2. Here we go, so click on it. Now click on launch instance and then we'll enter the instance name. So we can see Nginx server. Alright, so this is our instance name. So let's select Ubuntu. Alright, so ensure this is selected as a free tier eligible. Ubuntu server 24.04 LTS. Scroll down. So here you see instance type. Ensure you're selecting T2 micro. Alright, T2 micro as the instance type. That's for free tier. So scroll down to where you see key pair. Click on create new key pair. So we're going to create a new key pair. Let's see Nginx. Let's call this Nginx key pair and leave everything as default. So click on create key pair. Now that has been created. So scroll down and ensure this is selected. Allow SSH traffic from, and ensure create security group is selected as well. Then ensure this is also selected. Allow HTTP traffic from the internet. Okay. Scroll down. Leave this the way it is. So click on advanced details. Leave everything the way it is. Scroll down to where you see user data. Alright, so here we are going to write some scripts, okay, some commands. So let's say hash bin bash. Alright, so next command would be apt get updates. So this will update the list of available package. Alright. So the next one is apt get install Nginx. So this installs the web server. Okay. And so the next command will be system ctl start. So we're going to start this, our Nginx. We're starting it with this command, and after the start we'll have to enable it. System ctl enable Nginx. So this starts it and this enables. So ensure everything is okay, and then click on launch instance. Launch instance. Okay, so our instance is launched successfully. So click instance to see the list of instances we have. So this is the instance that is created, Nginx server. Alright, so check. Click on it, check the box here. And here we have the IPv4 address. So copy this public IP. We'll have to access it on a new browser. So open up a new browser. Then paste the IP address. Then add your ports 80 and hit the enter key. Here we go. So this is welcome to Nginx. So this is the official page for the Nginx. Alright, so go back to your instance. Alright, and now we're going to connect it. So click on connect. So when you click connect, leave everything as default. This is our public IP, so leave the way it is, and then click on connect. Here we go. So it's connected. So let's check the status. Sudo systemctl status Nginx. Hit enter. Yep. So this is it. All right. This is our observer, and this is it running active. Okay. So thank you very much. This is all for this video. See you on the next video.